Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Alex Tim. Today what I want to go through, I got a brand new rod. I got the Daiwa 7-foot. It's a medium light extra fast tip. As you may or may not know, I'm not that big of an open water fisherman, but this year I'm going to get into it. Everything that I've used in the past, I'm looking at it over in my corner over there. I've got, the rods that are two-piece rods, really cheap, like $10 to $30 rods with Zebco reels on them. So this is actually my very first open water spinning reel that I'm going to be using this year. So it's going to be an interesting learning curve. But what I wanted to do with this video is kind of walk through, give you a quick little overview of the first rod and reel setup that I got for this year. I will be getting a couple of more. Thank you to everybody that's given me advice and pointers on what I should get. I'm looking to target panfish, bass, walleye, kind of is my three main setups for this year. This rod right here is kind of my go-to all around since it's my first setup. So I really like the split grip on it. I know I saw some at the store that have like the solid handle. As you can see, this is a nice one that has the screw-on attachment point. It's got the really nice hook holder on it. The reel that I have is this guy right here. It's also a Daiwa, so it's a Daiwa Tatula LT2000DXH. I don't know a whole lot about what that means, but supposedly this is a really good reel to have on it for what I'm gonna be using it for. I put on the reel just some 6-pound mono, just because I'm gonna be using it again for pan fishing. I think I'm gonna start this year out with a little bit of dock fishing, some shore fishing, and then probably in a few weeks get out on like a fishing boat, pontoon, that type of thing. Try to get some content for you guys too. But I really like the look of the setup. This supposedly has a really nice drag system to it. I think they said it was like a carbon fiber drag system. It feels really good in the hand. It's super lightweight. I was almost gonna get an aluminum reel, but I ended up going with this guy just due to the weight difference. I can just picture myself casting out, reeling in a big fish with it. Hopefully I'll get some content for you guys up in the next couple of days or weeks here, kind of showing you exactly how I like it, my first impressions on the rod and the reel setup. I'm learning, so if you guys have tips and pointers on like what I should look for, this is a good all-around rod. I think this will be great for panfish, but I do need one specifically for bass. I know it's probably gonna be a heavier duty, maybe a bigger reel, heavier duty line, probably braid with a fluoro leader, that type of thing. So I'm looking for that, and then walleye as well. So if you guys have tips or pointers, I'm looking to get maybe a couple more setups this year. Let me know down in the comments. If you're a big Daiwa fan or you're looking forward to open water season this year, I'm gonna be putting up some open water content as well. Hit the like button, it helps me out an absolute ton. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, until next time, take it easy.